I am tarot poet, fairy farm girl.
Yep, that's me.
Hello, friends. I am in the car once again and thought I would do a short meditation. The wind is blowing outside. And it's such a busy day for me today. This is a meditation in the sun. It's a beautiful day. The wind has been blowing and it sounds a lot like the ocean, but it's the wind. This morning I awakened from sleep and the wind was gusting in such a way that the house was creaking, the old homestead was creaking and groaning and shaking and rocking as if I was on an old sailing ship made of wood and pine pitch. The house was breathing with the wind. The wind gust would flow in